can say the same thing over and over, and finally, at one little moment, people grasp it. They understand it. So I can tell you night after night that all things exist in the human imagination. And I can tell you that man is all imagination, and God is man, and exist in us and we in him. That the eternal body of man is the imagination, and that is God himself. That is the divine body we call Jesus Christ in Scripture. And because of previous training, we may question that or hesitate to, well, take it seriously. You may never really lose yourself to the extent that I wish you would, but nevertheless, I'll tell you.